Good morning, class 4. Today we are going to read the second part of chapter 7, and the name of this chapter is Beaks and Claws. In the previous class we have seen some types of beak and uses of them and about the birds that have such type of beaks. Now in this class we are going to read page number 34 in EVS book. So students, open page number 34 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Now I am going to read. Fifth type of beak is tweezer shaped beak. So birds such as hoopoes and warblers have tweezer shaped beaks. This type of beak is long and thin and it helps to pull out insects from holes in the ground. Now the next type of beak is cracker shaped. So some birds such as sparrows and peacocks have cracker shaped beaks. This type of beak is short, thick and conical beak, and this type of beak helps to break and crush seeds. Crush means press. Now the seventh type of beak is probe shaped. Birds such as hummingbird have probe shaped beaks. This type of beak is long and slender. Slender means thin, straw like beak, and this type of beak helps to suck nectar from flowers. Nectar means honey dew. Now we are going to read about feet and claws. Birds have claws on their feet. Claws help the birds to catch their food, perch on branches and to move around. They have feet according to the environment they live in and the food they eat. So we have understood that birds have claws on their feet. These claws help the birds to catch their food and catch branches of trees as well as roam elsewhere. Birds have their feet according to the environment in which they live or whatever food they eat. Now you can see our dear grandma is saying something to us. Let's see what is it. Never go too close to birds while observing them. They have sharp eyes and will fly away even before you reach them. So, if you are observing a bird, do not go too close to it because it has sharp eyes. With its sharp eyes, it can recognize you from a distance and can fly away even before you reach it. You reach to it. Now, grandma is asking something to us. So, let's see. What is it? Is it right to hunt birds for your pleasure? Why or why not? Pleasure means happiness. Underline this word. So, It is not right to hurt birds for our pleasure, because like humans, birds want to live. They also love and feel pain. Now the table given below tells you about the different types of claws birds have and their uses. So first claw is wading. Some birds such as cranes, storks, herons have wading shaped claws. So this type of claw are long with toes that are spread out to help them to walk easily in shallow water without sinking. So, grasping is a type of claw. Some birds such as eagles, hawks and owls have grasping type of claws. Now about grasping type of claws. The feet have large curved means twisted claws called talons to catch, kill and carry prey. Prey means food. There are 3 toes in the front and 1 behind. Now the next type of claw is swimming type. Birds such as ducks and swans have swimming type of claws. Now we are going to read about swimming type of claws. The feet are webbed. There are 3 toes in the front like them and 1 small toe at the back. Here you can see. Feet work as oars while swimming. Now the next type of claw is scratching type. Some birds such as hens and pheasants have scratching type of claws. Now we are going to read about scratching type of claws. The claws are strong with 3 toes in the front. Here you can see 3 toes and a short hind toe. Here you can see a short toe behind them. Higher up the leg, they help to scratch the ground to find food. Now the next type of claw is perching type. Here you have to underline perching. Perching means alight or rest on something. You have to underline grasping too. Grasping means tight fisted. So some birds such as crows, robins and sparrows have perching type of claws. Now read about perching type of claws. There are 3 toes in the front like them and one behind of them which curls around the branch to hold it firmly. It enables the bird to sleep even while perching. Now the next type of claw is climbing. So some birds such as woodpeckers and parrots have climbing type of claws. Now read about climbing type of claws. There are 2 toes in the front like them and 2 behind. 2 are behind them, enabling the bird to climb up, down and sideways on tree trunks. Now the next type of claw is running type. So birds such as ostriches have running type of claws. Now read about running type of claws. Fast running birds have 2 toes like them rather than 4. They have very strong legs to run fast. So students, that's all for today. In the next class we will see page number 36. So thank you class.